Welcome back on a Wednesday morning. Here's a live view of Muskegon sky cam. That looks a little out of focus there, but notice the flag's really not moving much at all. Very light wind currently here across West Michigan. Also a fair amount of clouds. We're not going to see the bright, beautiful sunrise that we had yesterday in many locations. I think areas north and east may see that, but there's a lot of debris clouds kind of spilling in. I'll show you why in just a second. Currently, temperature is 63 degrees in Grand Rapids, also in the Kalamazoo area. As you head to the north, where the clouds have been a little slower progressing to the north, that's where temperatures are the coolest right now, 52 degrees in Big Rapids. We're dry here in Storm Track Live radar, but you don't have to expand it very far to latch onto at least a few showers and thunderstorms. Just kind of training over the same area, so not a lot of severe weather out here as of yet. Just a lot of flooding issues, it looks like, in portions of Illinois. This is still even southwest of Chicago at the present time. But this is what's producing it. The area of low pressure coming out of the Central Plains along with a warm front. As this warm air lifts, tries to lift into the Great Lakes, it's butting up against a pretty strong wind and some cooler air to the north. That's a decent setup for strong thunderstorms, enough so that the Storm Prediction Center still has a moderate risk throughout much of the southern Great Lakes that's going to spill right over into the Ohio River Valley. This is for late afternoon in through especially overnight as that area of low pressure continues marching to the east. And whenever you see the configuration like this, we're talking about a straight line wind event. We call those derechos, and this is climatologically the time of year that typically happens. Even up in Grand Rapids, we're in a slight risk of severe weather, but we're thinking more and more it's likely going to be I-94 in points to the south, especially I-80 in northern Indiana. So if you're around Fort Wayne and Chicago, look out. Time frame, late afternoon into the evening overnight period. And the greatest risk, again, I-94 into the south. Main severe wet, straight line winds, but I'm sure there's going to be some reports of isolated tornadoes here and there. Futurecast, as we roll through today, I have a difficult forecast in terms of the cloud cover. I think at times we'll see filtered sunshine, passing showers, maybe a thunderstorm bubbling up, especially south of Grand Rapids. But again, the main show will be later on tonight. This is just one forecast model. It does keep most of the action south of Grand Rapids as we roll through the night. Then as we head into Thursday, a few spotty showers, a fair amount of clouds. And Thursday, yeah, Miranda's Park Party kicks out, the first one of the season. It looks like a slight chance of a shower, but it would only be very brief, and then a few clouds. We're looking at Lake Michigan forecast for waves calm to a foot. Again, that chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially if you're from South Haven southward. There's a look at the 8-day forecast, and it looks pretty nice once we head into the Friday, Saturday time frame, warming up. Another warm June weekend. The second half of the weekend, though, that's when we'll have to maybe carry the umbrellas around. But again, today it's just sit and watch that radar real close.
Yep. I like days like that.
Yeah, that's
I
what
really
we'll do. Yeah.
All right. Busy day in the tracking center.
Yes.
All right, Matt, thank you.